What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Finally got the setup back, so we are back in action, folks. Camera is on and I miss you guys. I miss you guys, and hopefully we're gonna start doing live streams again. Things will be getting back to normal slowly but surely. Gonna take the next few weekends, hopefully just again sticking to content creation, focusing on trading, cryptocurrencies and all that good stuff, because the market is looking fantastic. So for all the ones who have been patient, thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also check out the link in the description below for Webull to get your 2 free stocks. And if you want to support your boy in any way, shape, or form, click the link below also for Patreon. Now, the overall market has been looking really good. We're seeing consolidation. Bitcoin is, kind of stagnant and stuck right under that $46,000 resistance. We broke it a couple times, but then again, we just retrace a little bit back from there. Ethereum around 3,200, and Shiba Inu was holding very, very strong around 800 Satoshi units. And I'm liking that. I'm liking the fact that we're seeing consolidation, again, testing higher lows. And that's usually a bullish sign or bullish momentum, because again, a lot of people are anticipating some great things for this cryptocurrency. And of course, in addition to that, the bulls are out. So the overall market has been doing very, very well. And we're happy to see that SHIB now is slowly but surely also following along the other crypto assets, which of course, in my opinion, it's going to definitely outpace a lot of them. And again, right now ranked 40th by market cap in the overall cryptocurrency market space. I think we'll easily see top 10 by the end of 2021. Now, again, price targets, you guys know that I'm very, very bullish on Shiba Inu. But the thing I want to talk about today specifically, first and foremost, is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. So currently it is at 70 and it's increasing day by day. So just as of August 12th, just updated literally today, not too long ago, this is pretty big, guys. The overall market sentiments are looking better and better and better. So what better time to get into the cryptocurrency space than now, before the bulls fully come out and we start seeing the return to all-time highs for all crypto assets. Now remember, my videos are not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, right now, cryptocurrency space is where I've seen the most gains. My stock portfolio has run stagnant, but the crypto assets are killing it. Love how much gains we are seeing, folks. Now, one thing I want to mention. This article published by Yahoo Finance said, what will one Bitcoin be worth in 10 years? So a lot of us have tunnel vision. A lot of us focus on the 4-hour chart, the 1-day chart, the 30-minute chart, the 1-minute chart, even 15-minute chart. And I know that's people looking at technical analysis to try to find maybe potential buy sells throughout the day, for intraday trading, that kind of thing, which is totally respectable. I am 110% backing anybody that can trade for a living. That is fantastic, where you don't have to work for someone else, rather just do day trading every single day, day in and day out for cryptocurrencies or even stocks. I think that's fantastic. But the thing is, for me, is it's easier for me to continue to buy, hold, have a diamond-handed mentality and look to see where will I be in 5 years? Well, where will I be in 10 years? Right? So for Bitcoin itself, if you guys don't know, the CEO of MicroStrategy, Michael J. Saylor, so he's also known as the Big Short. He was the person who was able to predict the housing crash back in 2008. Again, he has a lot of very good price predictions or kind of market expectations based off his own analysis, and a lot of people respect him for that. So the fact is he says, for Bitcoin, no prediction is guaranteed, but he shared from Michael J. Saylor did say that Bitcoin can pass the market cap of gold, which is around $11 trillion currently. Nothing will end up stopping it if it surpasses that. So we know Cathie Wood and a lot of other big investors say that in terms of store of value, Bitcoin will surpass what? Bitcoin will surpass the store of value or the overall market cap of that of gold at $11 trillion. Currently, Bitcoin's market cap, folks, is at $859 billion. So we're talking not a 10x, not 11, not 12, 13, about 13 to 14x, a 500,000 price target on Bitcoin. And again, the short term, this is not very long term. So Michael Saylor says, sees Bitcoin capable of reaching a market cap of $300 trillion in the long run if it does surpass that of gold at 11 trillion. Of course, he doesn't give a date because nobody can do that. So guys, 1 second here. if somehow, some way demand is right. And again, I don't think it's too far-fetched to have these kind of price predictions because the cryptocurrency space right now is so undervalued. I think a lot of people are going to see some fantastic gains in terms of US dollar comparison, right? Versus your crypto assets. So with a market cap of 300 trillion, and that's the market cap that he thinks it can one day reach. And again, take what he says for a grain of salt because he's no financial advisor, although he kind of is. the price of Bitcoin per token will be $14 million. $14 million for Bitcoin. So think about that for a second. That's not 20. That's not 100, right? That's not even, that's not 100x. Way more than that. So for the naysayers right now saying, Shiba Inu, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the space right now, compared to anything out there, the eyes on SHIB, the social media attention that it is getting continuously day after day, good or bad, regardless, so much is happening for this crypto. And we know the burns are coming. The community has been asking for burns, and Satoshi said, you guys know from Satoshi Saturdays last weekend, he said that he wants to do a 6-figure burn for Shiba Inu, a 6-figure burn. And that's only the beginning because the market reacted positively to the previous burn. So they'll maybe continuously do burns over time as we continue to ask for them. So again, when people say, Pop, why do you have a 1 cent price prediction for Shiba Inu? Why do you have a 10-cent price prediction for this thing? It's because of that. Everything right now in the cryptocurrency space is extremely undervalued compared to its store of value, its potential, its adoption. Very early. We are all very early as investors. So I continue to say and I continue to mention that anybody that is investing in cryptocurrencies in 2021, between May and now, before what looks like the next bull cycle is just getting ready to get started, in my opinion, again, not a financial advisor, so take what I say for a grain of salt, but regardless, I can always put you guys on the plays that I am in. And Shiba Inu to me doesn't have 10x potential, not 100x, not 1000x, but I'm talking nearly, again, it sounds ridiculous, but if you go back and look at other crypto assets, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, look at Cardano, look at whatever else other cryptos you want to look at. Some have went through the same cycle. Look at Dogecoin, for goodness sake. It didn't 10x. It didn't 100x. It didn't 1000x. It went above and beyond that. So for the fact that we are seeing this live currently in 2021, we have the potential to be investing. Don't make the mistake of those who didn't get into Doge back in the day, like myself. I knew about it, I heard about it, and I didn't want to put any money into it. Now, assessing your own risk tolerance is always the best thing you could do for yourself, of course, but in my opinion, Shiba Inu has the potential to surpass the market cap of Dogecoin and continue to see some great and green days ahead. So again, just always want to make sure you guys are up to date on everything when it comes to the cryptocurrency market. And when we hear and see big articles, big social media platforms like Yahoo Finance from Benzinga saying, what will one Bitcoin be worth? And then people see 14 million. That starts waking people up. That starts getting, the retail investor who might be only in the stock market start looking into crypto assets. And people will start looking into crypto assets and probably start with Bitcoin like everybody else. I'll buy some Bitcoin. And then from there, Ethereum. Okay, cool. Cardano, smart contracts. That's pretty. Shiba Inu. What's the hype all about? Oh, they even have a swap? I want to get in on that. So again, that's kind of how I think people usually will go about potentially starting to invest in the crypto space. So again, that's kind of my 2 cents there. And I also wanted to mention, a lot of people have been saying, Pop, are you still holding Saitama? Are you still holding Ryoshi? And I wanted to bring that up just in today's video. I am still holding every single Saitama token that I bought, guys. Every single one, right there. And also Ryoshi, every single token. Currently holding 34 billion tokens. And also Grapefruit, I know it had a huge sell-off, but holding every single token that I bought. Because guys, I have diamond hands. I'm not buying these crypto assets or cryptocurrencies for the short term. Absolutely not. I'm buying these and holding them for the long term because I see some potential in them. Somehow, some way, I think that they will do very, very well in the short and long term. Because again, they're all so early in terms of investing. So that's all I had for you guys today. I really appreciate everybody's love and support. Your continued support has been nothing but absolutely phenomenal. So thank you all so much. Let's continue to see Shiba Inu prevail, hopefully soon past that 1,000 Satoshi unit marks. All that's going to take that 0 off, all that's going to take is what? Coinbase Pro and Coinbase listing. And Coinbase has been playing games. They've listed so many assets between the delisting of SHIB and the technical issues that they're addressing. IOTX, ORN, Tribe, UST, Quick, all these tokens that are getting added to their platform. But when SHIB is the question. AXS as of today, WLUNA, TRU, REC, REQ, Request, all these tokens that are being listed, but we're patiently waiting for SHIB. So thank you all so much for tuning in today. Make sure you guys click the link in the description if you want to support your boy in any way, shape, or form on Webull. That's all I had for you. I'll be back tomorrow morning, and until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.